Oh, there's a fish. Oh, landed for me, landed for me. All right, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm with my friend Aaron right there and Alex. You've seen him before in our videos. I'll leave both of their Instagrams in the description below if you want to check them out. Today we're going to be fishing at a golf course. Hopefully get on some big fish and a lot of fish, so stay tuned and enjoy. There's one. That was a decent one. Come here, baby. There we go. They're cold. No, this one's okay. They're super cold though. There we go. First. Oh, he's peeing all over me. He's a male. What the? First fish of the day. Have one? Yeah. There you go. It's a decent one. You gonna land him or you gonna flip him?
I'll get him.
Yeah, that one's fat. There you go, Aaron. Just throw it on my foot. Aaron's first fish of the day, about 2.5 pounder. No, you have a fish.
Dude, what the hell? He hit it as soon as it hit the water. Yeah.
What the heck? Is it the same one?
It looks like the same one.
I wonder if it's on a bed right there.
Bro, I think so. Hit the water and it hit it.
No, that one's a little smaller.
It hit the water and like my line got straight. I was like, what the hell? Dang, dude.
Cast over there. You guys are catching all these fish.
Look, it went like that and I already had a fish on.
There you go. Everyone's catching fish but me. What the hell? It's a little one.
Huh?
Just a little one. See a fish. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, landed for me, landed for me. Oh. 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 Grab the line, just pull it. Yes!
Damn, that's big.
Yes! Oh, oh my God. Just changed up to a jig and caught this freaking beast. Look how thick that fish is. He choked the jig. Oh my God, that is a freaking beast. I'm gonna get a weight on it real quick. Oh my God. Calm down, girl. I'll get you back in. I don't know. It's the biggest fish I caught out of this pond. Yeah. Crap. Come on. Stop. Just work. Alright. It says 4.5.
What is it?
That's not right.
No, that's way bigger than my food.
Alex, what did you say? 4.5?
Yeah.
I guess 4.5. Oh. 4 pounds 9 ounces it says. It looks way bigger than that, but he's short, I guess. It's about right. That's a thick fish right there. Super thick. I'm gonna get her back in. See you, big girl. Thanks for biting. I'll get that stuff out of your mouth. Oh my God, this water's so cold. Alright guys, here's that bait I caught that fish on. It's a Strike King structure jig, black and blue, with a black and red Combat Jigs craw. It's a very, very good jig. Still out of breath from catching that fish. It's very nice to finally hook into one, but most lakes in Florida are very weedy or have a lot of grass, so that's why I don't use jigs that often. But this lake, or pond, whatever you want to call it, is very sandy and rocky, so I decided to throw a jig, and it paid off. As I was talking, Aaron just took the big one. Oh, get over there. Then I was just...
That one's big.
It took me 3 shots to get him.
That one's big.
Was he on a bed?
Yes, bro. 3
For real?
tries. I missed him twice.
Dude.
Go.
I missed him too.
That's my PB. Holy
Hell
shit. Eric,
Oh my god. Let me feel.
bro, get some pictures.
Dude, look at the line.
Let me see it. Let me see
Look at the
it.
line.
Dude, that thing is
Look
so
at the line, bro.
Let's go.
freaking heavy. Oh, dude, that might be a double digit.
Huge.
Oh my
That
god.
is so
That might
heavy.
be a
Hey,
freaking
get some
10.
pictures, bro.
Oh my, I'm getting a
Holy
scale out. This
Dude,
thing,
that's like an 8 or 9.
this is giant here. Hold it on the sides
Oh,
of his
that might
mouth.
be a
I'm gonna
10,
put it right
bro.
here. This is
That
a
might be a
giant freaking bass.
Oh, that gotta be a 10, bro.
I got it.
Come on.
I
Get
swear
the 10
it's-
mark.
Guess.
My
I
PB.
swear
Guess what it
I
is?
have
Let it go.
What's your PB?
Mine, I think
10?
it's like 6, 7 mine.
7.
7 pounds even. That's
my new
that's
PB. I'm counting it. Alright,
that is a giant freaking bass. Oh my god.
Dude, that is so
Dude.
big.
Look at the size of this fish. Oh my god.
He's sitting there.
Dude, clean it off and
Damn,
I'm gonna get a
that's so
picture. I'm gonna get a
fat, dude.
picture. Oh my god, that thing's huge. Aaron with the freaking giant. Took him forever to catch some good fish, but he got lucky and caught the giant one. Oh my god, back to back huge fish.
There she goes.
As I walk by, Aaron just catches him.
Jumped up and caught it.
Just a little guy. Alright. It's another fish on the fluke. Here you go, Aaron. This is your lake, huh?
Oh yeah. That's it, boys. Dude, I was reeled it in quick.
I'm gonna use this in this little underspin.
Yeah, I think that's a shot done.
You mad, Alex? Were you just fishing there? You have one too? What the heck? The same clip. Maybe stay here for a minute.
Oh yeah, get him.
Here you go, Alex. Alex with the fish now. My turn.
You all catching them right here. Look
Got
at
the same size, cookie cutter. How are they all getting hooked in the bottom of the lip? Every fish has been hooked in the bottom almost. Oh no, I could have tripled up. Yeah, I just missed. No, it bit the tail off. What the heck? No, I'm fishing with it like this. I don't care. Where you guys going? Okay. I was gonna ask you to hand me my jig, but never mind. Oh! Oh, what the? Oh my no! I was just kidding around. Hopefully they'll eat this still, even though there's no tail. Oh, that's it. Yes. Rear your stuff up. Hurry up. That's a decent one. Yeah, on the underspin. Ugh. First cast back at the corner. There we go, another fish on the underspin that time. Oh my god! Do you see it jump out? Oh no! Oh no! Come on! Oh no! Watch out! Watch out! Eat it!
That was twice?
Yeah! Is that a small one I missed? Probably. Hey, Aaron's catching all the fish today. Hey, he's catching the big and small ones. Let me take this off so I can talk. You got it?
Maybe.
Go. Psst. Where's it hooked at? Let me see.
How do y'all do that?
I'll show you. Let me see it.
Like that, and you just pop it. Ah. Doing it wrong.
I'm gonna release him. There goes Aaron's fish. My fish I lost. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the video. Make sure you check out my friends' Instagrams. I'll have Alex's right here and Aaron's right here. I'll also have their links to their Instagrams in the description below, so make sure you go check them out. Due to the weather, today was a very unexpected day of fishing. We did not think we were going to catch any, and the conditions has been very cold and windy lately. So we did not think we were going to catch any in this high pressure system, but the odds were in our favor and we caught a lot. At the first and second spots, they're in the same vicinity as each other, so the main baits I worked there were slow moving baits. We used flukes as well as Texas rigs and jigs. They are the main baits that caught fish. As you saw in the video, Aaron's 7-pounder bit on a fluke. Alex caught all of his fish on a fluke, and I caught my biggest fish on a black and blue jig. At spot number 3, which is the lake I fish all the time just because it's so close and has such good fishing, they wanted moving baits, which is really weird because this time of year you should be using jerk baits and Texas rigs, but these fish wanted moving baits. We caught them on swim jigs and chatterbaits. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and comment down below, as well as subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.